Hello, my name is Callie Lesher, and today I'd like to talk about how incorporating comprehensive primary care, specifically with a guided care program, in internal medicine practices can help reduce hospital readmissions of older adults with heart failure. Older adults ages 65 and older represent a growing population in the United States. This population is not only living longer, but they're also living with multiple chronic conditions, and they represent a growing expenditure of healthcare resources. And among all adult groups, older adults with heart failure have the highest rate of readmission, with annual healthcare costs exceeding $24.3 billion. In addition to multiple chronic health problems, these patients often have poor general health behaviors, functional and cognitive deficits, poor or limited support and assistance from family and friends, low health literacy, and transportation barriers that contribute to the problem of readmission to hospitals. So, comprehensive primary care is one intervention that is shown to improve outcomes of complex older adults, and we would determine whether it is useful in decreasing hospital readmissions for older adults with heart failure. The guided care program is a comprehensive primary care program that allows the patient to maintain their relationship with their established primary care provider, and the services are based in the primary care office as opposed to a health center or day center. For this program, the primary care provider partners with a specially trained guided care nurse to provide comprehensive care to the older adults who are considered high risk of using increased healthcare services. So the main interventions performed by the guided care nurse include assessing the patient and their primary caregiver at home, creating an evidence-based plan with the primary care provider, and then translating that into an action plan for the patients and caregivers, promoting patient self-management, monthly monitoring of patients' conditions, coordinating care of all of the patient's healthcare providers and specialists, and providing transitional care as they transition from the hospital back home. So the provision of transitional care as the patient is discharged is an especially important intervention within guided care, as the nurse is directly involved with discharge planning and education. So as the patients are discharged, the nurse helps the patient and caregiver understand discharge education and follow-up appointments and so forth, and then monitors the patient closely at home. They also coordinate care between healthcare providers and ensure that follow-up appointments are made and also met. This helps prevent miscommunication and fragmented care. So the main outcome objective for this intervention is that in 1 year, readmission rates will decrease by 50% for older adults with heart failure, for those who are enrolled in the guided care program. To evaluate this intervention, data is collected from electronic health records from the discharging hospital and the patient's primary care practice. Additionally, data from the guided care nurses' documentation will be collected to evaluate if the monthly appointments were met and what other interventions were performed. At the end of year one, data from these sources will be evaluated to determine how effective this intervention was in preventing readmissions for older adults with heart failure. So why is this worth the money? Simply put, this program has proven to work. Results from randomized control trial has shown that it reduces hospital readmissions by 49%, reduces skilled nursing facility days by 52%, reduces skilled nursing admissions by 47%. And then additionally, it improves patient and family caregiver perceptions of quality of care, and it improves physician satisfaction with chronic care and produces high job satisfaction among nurses. So in summary, incorporating the guided care program in internal medicine practices allows the guided care nurse to assist patients as they transition home after hospitalization and monitors their health monthly. This program is shown to reduce readmissions for complex older adults and would be an ideal intervention for older adults with heart failure. Thank you very much.